Welcome to Microsoft Fabric Weekly, your roundup of the latest from the Microsoft Fabric and Fabric Updates blogs. 6 updates you should know this week, from June 16th to 22nd, 2026. First, in preview, ServiceNow's zero-copy querying of enterprise data in Microsoft OneLake. Instead of building pipelines to copy ServiceNow data into your lake, you can now query it in place. The data stays where it is, and OneLake reads it live. That means no duplication, no sync jobs, and no extra storage. Just direct access to ServiceNow records alongside the rest of your Fabric data. Second, also in preview, new string functions and operators in Fabric Data Warehouse. If you've ever written painful workarounds for basic text manipulation, this is for you. The warehouse gains familiar T-SQL string functions, things like trimming, translating, and concatenation. So cleaning and shaping text data is far less code and much closer to standard SQL. Third, a hands-on example worth a look, monitoring weather conditions in real time using AI and Fabric Eventstream. It walks through streaming live sensor data into Eventstream, then using AI to analyze and react to it as it flows. It's a great blueprint for any real-time scenario, IoT, telemetry, or operational monitoring, built end-to-end on Fabric's real-time intelligence stack. Fourth, on security, securing the Power Query Connector ecosystem in Fabric. Connectors are how data gets in, so they're a real trust boundary. Microsoft is strengthening that ecosystem, signed connectors, clearer trust tiers, and certified partners, so you can bring in data with more confidence that the connection itself is safe and vetted. Fifth, now generally available, event-driven copy job execution with Fabric Activator. Until now, copy jobs typically ran on a schedule. With Activator, they can fire on an event. The moment a file lands or a condition is met, the copy job runs. No polling, no waiting for the next scheduled window. Your data movement becomes reactive and near real time. And sixth, a performance win. Improve performance for Python UDFs and complex data types in Fabric's native execution engine. Python user-defined functions and nested, complex types used to carry overhead. Running them on the native execution engine speeds them up significantly, so your Spark workloads that lean on Python logic and rich data types finish faster for the same code. So that's your week in Microsoft Fabric. ServiceNow Zero Copy in OneLake, new warehouse string functions, a real-time weather example, safer Power Query connectors, event-driven copy jobs with Activator, and faster Python UDFs. Links are in the description. Which update helps you most? Tell me in the comments, and subscribe for next week.